Everyone's skin is different, and that goes for the types of treatments they need. Maybe you've been using a moisturizer but still getting flaky skin? Maybe you even have dermatitis or eczema and a prescription medication isn't helping. That's where hyaluronic acid comes in. Stay on this video to find out how it works, how to use it, and get some facts about its benefits. Hyaluronic acid. What is it and how does it work? Think back to high school biology. You'll remember that humans are made up of cells, and those cells are made up of different building blocks, called organelles. Think mitochondria. The hyaluronic acid molecule is a major component of the extracellular matrix, which makes up the space between our cells. The substance is naturally found in the skin's deepest layers right underneath the epidermis, the top layer of your skin. Hyaluronic acid creates a firm, healthy structure that keeps your skin plumped up and wrinkle-free. It also gives your skin a smooth appearance by providing cushioning and shock absorption. A deficiency in hyaluronic acid can mean fewer hydrators and nutrients being delivered to the dermis, the second layer of your skin, for maximum benefit. Stay with us to know more about how hyaluronic acid works. But before that, hit the subscribe button if you like this video to never miss our new plan to help you boost your metabolism. So how is hyaluronic acid able to keep your skin looking young? Well, it's a humectant. A humectant is a substance that can attract and retain moisture. So when you apply a product with this active on your face, it attracts moisture from the atmosphere, helping to create a barrier on your skin to prevent further moisture loss. Besides helping to hydrate your skin and reduce symptoms of dermatitis or eczema, hyaluronic acid has been shown in studies to hold up better against the sun than other products, which makes it an effective sunscreen substitute for people prone to photorelief, like the fine lines and wrinkles that comes with age. The molecule is also able to hold up against free radicals, which makes it an effective antioxidant. New skincare products that use the ingredient include moisturizers, serums, facial masks, and other treatments. You'll find this ingredient in these types of products at a concentration from 0.1% to 5%. But most hyaluronic acid solutions are found in concentrations of between 1% and 2%. What will happen to your skin? When you start using hyaluronic acid, you are likely to see noticeable improvement in skin hydration and a reduction in signs of dermatitis or eczema. Your skin may appear plumper, smoother, and younger looking. You can find facial products these days with high concentration of hyaluronic acid that can help keep your skin looking young. A study published in the International Journal of Cosmetic Science even suggests that using a cream with as little as 3% hyaluronic acid can give you visible results in just 2 weeks. Depending on your needs, a product containing this ingredient might do everything from creating an even surface so makeup goes on smoothly, to preventing dryness, to filling fine lines and wrinkles. What are its benefits? Hyaluronic acid is a naturally occurring substance in our skin. It plays a vital role in keeping everything hydrated and moist, especially the dermis, which is the second layer of skin. As we age, our bodies produce less hyaluronic acid, and it slowly disappears from our body. While this occurs naturally, it can cause visible signs of dryness, such as cracking skin, feeling tight and dry, or even breaking out from other cosmetic products or skin treatments. A lack of hyaluronic acid can affect the collagen levels in your skin, causing visible signs such as scaly patches or dry patches on your face. This can lead to hydration issues, which in turn can lead to dull-looking skin and skin that has lost its elasticity. Hyaluronic acid is able to reverse this process, keeping skin looking healthy and smooth for years to come. Hyaluronic acid types. Hyaluronic acid can be broken down into 2 different classifications: natural or synthetic. Natural hyaluronic acid occurs naturally in our bodies and begins disappearing once we reach middle age. On the other hand, synthetic hyaluronic acid is man-made, so it isn't as expensive as the natural version of the ingredient. So which one is better? It depends on what you're looking to achieve. While the natural form of this ingredient is less likely to irritate your skin, it's also more expensive and can take longer to have an effect compared to its synthetic counterpart. The synthetic version is known for being less expensive, but it can cause short-term irritation such as redness or burning when used. However, it does provide faster results. What should I use? What should I avoid? Just as with any ingredient, there are certain things you want to look for when choosing a product that contains hyaluronic acid. Firstly, make sure it's high quality. Avoid products that have poor reviews or are overhyped. In general, products with high concentration of hyaluronic acid are best for keeping your skin looking smooth and healthy. If you want to target the fine lines and wrinkles that come with age, though, you need a product with higher concentration. Secondly, look out for products that use natural hyaluronic acid. While there is no concrete evidence to support this claim, many dermatologists recommend using hyaluronic acid from natural sources if possible, as it tends to be less irritating than its synthetic counterpart. Lastly, and most importantly, simply use a product that has hyaluronic acid in the right concentration. What is hyaluronic acid and how does it work? Hyaluronic acid is a naturally occurring substance found in the body and skin. It's also known as HA and can be found in high concentrations in adult skin. How much hyaluronic acid do we have? As we grow older, our bodies produce less of this substance due to the removal of its enzyme. This results in the growth of fine lines and wrinkles as well as dryness and irritation on our skin. This condition is known as dry skin or eczema or dermatitis. Is hyaluronic acid good for skin? Using a product that has hyaluronic acid in it is good for your skin. This is why you should look out for products that have this ingredient, as they will help keep your body hydrated and moisturized. How can it be used to reduce wrinkles? According to a study published in the International Journal of Cosmetic Science, using a cream with as little as 3% of this ingredient on your face can give you visible results within just 2 weeks. How can hyaluronic acid be used to reduce fine lines and wrinkles? Using a product that has a high concentration of hyaluronic acid can help reduce the fine lines and wrinkles. Using such a product will prevent the loss of collagen, which is what causes these signs of aging. We hope you enjoyed this video and learned new things about hyaluronic acid. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Also, don't forget to let us know if this worked for you and how it affected your body. Thanks for watching this video, and if you want more videos on how to boost your metabolism and lose more weight, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos.